Hey, how's it going? What's going on? This is AJ Albert, CEO of Exclusive Financial Class, and I'm going over the 3.0 version, Restore My Credit, right? All right, so first thing you want to do is here, it's gonna make you watch the consult video tutorial, right? So you'll click on consult video, you'll hit play.
Hello, and thank you for choosing MWR Credit Restoration. Over the next few minutes, I will be giving you
I'm not going to go through the whole video, but it won't allow you to open up anything else until you do that, right? And then it gives you the the next step. The next step would be to actually click on you'll be clicking right here, and it'll be entering your personal information, right? So it'll be your name, address, phone number, all that stuff, and then actually certifying that it's you, right? And then it'll go into the steps of how to pull your credit report, right? So you'll end up pulling your credit report. And then so basically step one is enroll into your service. Step two, access your credit report. And step three, upload your credit report and all your, so you have to upload your driver's license, your utility bill, and your credit 3-bureau credit report, right? And then once that is uploaded, you upload documents here. And then once the documents are uploaded, they'll be presented down here. I'm not going to open up any of this information because you definitely, it has, social security numbers and all that available. But like I said, this is step one. Watch the videos. It'll allow you to access the next 3 steps, which is enroll, putting your initial information in, you and your spouse. It allows you to, and then step 2, right? Accessing your documents, going to Smart Credit, and actually going through the steps of actually pulling your actual credit report for all 3 bureaus. And then uploading your documents. So it's uploading the 3 bureaus, the utility bill, and your driver's license. And that's for you and your spouse, right? And it covers you and your spouse, and they'll immediately go to work on your credit report. Then you also have other access. So this is Smart Credit is the access. This is the login to get to your Smart Credit. If you want, anytime you're in your back office, again, you can go log into your Smart Credit and check out your credit score. Then you have other, right? So you can enroll in installment credit. You have Open Sky where you can enroll in revolving credit. And then you can also have like your utilities and rent reported to your credit report so it can boost your credit score. You would have to go through each one of those initial steps to actually get those things up and running. But these are credit building things that will help boost your credit score, right? That you have access to. So if you have any questions, you do know how to get in contact with me. Just reach back out to me and we can go over any further steps you may need to know. But this is the 3.0 version, and I hope y'all utilize these services to the best of your ability. All right, have a blessed day.